The James Webb Space Telescope has captured something extraordinary: light patterns that appeared to shine like artificial city lights from a point just 4 light-years away. This unexpected discovery has reignited global curiosity about the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. The telescope, while surveying Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet to our solar system, detected mysterious bursts of light coming from its surface. These weren't random flashes. They resembled structured illumination, similar in appearance to urban lighting, sparking a bold new question: could this be evidence of an alien civilization? For decades, both scientists and the public have speculated about life beyond Earth. Theories, observations, and even science fiction have fueled our fascination. But when the James Webb Telescope delivered this data, the tone changed. This wasn't hopeful speculation. It was scientific intrigue backed by observable data. The lights on Proxima Centauri b have opened up serious discussion about what kind of civilization might exist out there, how it might be organized, and whether they, too, are looking back at us. The lights, although faint, seem far too precise and consistent to be natural geological phenomena or atmospheric events. NASA engineers were particularly struck by one question: how long have these lights been active? Have they been shining quietly for millennia, waiting for human technology to finally become advanced enough to notice them? Astronomer David Kipping from Columbia University explained that Proxima b is a particularly complex exoplanet. Unlike typical rocky planets that absorb light and emit infrared radiation predictably, Proxima b behaves strangely due to its intense relationship with its parent star, Proxima Centauri. Thanks to the telescope's unmatched ability to detect infrared wavelengths, researchers were able to observe unusual thermal behaviors from the planet's surface. This infrared sensitivity is what enabled the telescope to pick up the possible artificial lights, especially on the planet's night side, an area typically hidden in darkness. Detecting such faint glimmers is nearly impossible for older telescopes, but James Webb's precision offers a new window into what's happening across the galaxy. What makes this discovery even more compelling is Proxima b's dynamic environment. It experiences extreme day and night cycles, driven by the powerful radiation of its red dwarf star. During the day, the planet heats up under the harsh glare of its sun, but as it rotates, the night side cools drastically, especially if it lacks an atmosphere. If no atmospheric gases are present to balance the temperature, the difference between the planet's day and night could be vast. This would create a unique thermal signature, which James Webb is perfectly equipped to analyze. By studying these heat variations, astronomers can determine whether the planet has an atmosphere and what it's made of. If an atmosphere is confirmed, the next step is to analyze its chemical content. Scientists will search for specific markers, oxygen, water vapor, methane, that are considered key indicators of habitability. These compounds could suggest not just a potentially livable environment, but possibly even the presence of life. This type of analysis involves studying how the planet's atmosphere affects light passing through it, a technique the James Webb Telescope is exceptionally good at, especially for identifying substances like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Although it isn't optimized for detecting free oxygen directly, it can still identify related compounds such as ozone, which may also point to the presence of life. There's still a long way to go before definitive conclusions can be made. But for now, what the telescope has revealed brings us one step closer to answering a question humanity has asked for centuries: are we alone? And while Proxima b is just one of many exoplanets under investigation, it currently holds the spotlight. With each observation, each signal, each unexplained flicker of light, we're moving toward the most profound discovery of all time. And it may already be waiting for us, just 4 light-years away. Absolutely. Here's a reworked and polished version of your script written in a smooth narrative style, perfect for a YouTube video. The tone is informative, engaging, and designed to keep viewers interested throughout. The James Webb Space Telescope has once again turned our gaze toward the stars with awe and curiosity. Recent findings suggest the possibility of lights, structured, city-like glimmers, coming from Proxima Centauri b, a planet just 4 light-years away. Though still under investigation, These signals have revived a question that has long haunted humanity. Are we truly alone in the universe? As the closest known exoplanet to our solar system, Proxima b has always fascinated astronomers. But these new observations suggest something far more compelling. The lights detected resemble patterns we associate with civilization, organized, consistent, and intelligent in appearance. While caution is essential, excitement among researchers is growing. Could we be looking at signs of an advanced society, quietly existing in the cosmic dark, waiting for us to notice? Despite its limitations in detecting free oxygen, a crucial biomarker, the James Webb Telescope is capable of analyzing other atmospheric components such as ozone. The presence of ozone often suggests a stable, healthy atmosphere, and could indirectly hint at life. Scientists are now diving deep into the telescope's data, examining every detail, every anomaly, in hopes of understanding what lies on this distant world. It's important to remember that the Webb telescope can only study a limited number of exoplanets within our immediate stellar neighborhood. To push further, researchers are preparing for the next leap forward, the launch of powerful ground-based observatories like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, set to begin operations in 2028. This telescope will offer a far more detailed look at planetary atmospheres, giving us clearer insights into whether these worlds could support life. Looking ahead, future space telescopes are already being designed to tackle one of the most difficult challenges in astronomy: blocking out the overwhelming brightness of stars to observe the faint light reflected by their orbiting planets. It's a bit like holding up your hand to block the sun so you can see what's beside it. Scientists are developing innovative technologies to do just that, including instruments known as coronagraphs, which sit inside telescopes and filter out starlight while letting planet light through. By carefully shaping light waves, coronagraphs reduce glare and reveal the dim, distant glow of alien worlds. Another exciting technology in development is the Starshade, a massive, flower-shaped spacecraft that flies in precise formation with a telescope. From tens of thousands of kilometers away, it blocks starlight before it even reaches the telescope, letting only the light from exoplanets through. This could prove especially effective for studying planets in their stars' habitable zones, where conditions might support liquid water and possibly life. These techniques, however, demand extraordinary accuracy. Starshades must align with telescopes across vast distances to within fractions of a millimeter. And all of this has to work reliably in the harsh environment of space. The challenges are great, but the potential rewards are even greater. If these new instruments succeed, they could help us detect biosignatures, molecules like oxygen, methane, or water vapor, in the atmospheres of distant planets. These compounds, if found in certain combinations, could be evidence of biological activity. Scientists are even working on ways to create high-resolution images of exoplanets, revealing not just that a world exists, but what its climate is like, and possibly even what its surface looks like. The race to build the next generation of space telescopes is more than just a technological quest. It's a journey to answer one of the most profound questions of our time. Are we the only intelligent species in the universe? With each step forward, we get closer to a truth that could redefine everything we know about life, the cosmos, and our place within it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the lights on Proxima b are natural, or something more? If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because out there, somewhere in the vast darkness, the answers might already be shining back